What can we learn from the tribe of Benjamin? What can we learn from the lives of Ehud, Saul, Jonathan, Esther, and Paul? Let's look at 1 Chronicles chapter 8. Benjamin fathered Bela his firstborn, Ashbel his secondborn, Ahara his thirdborn, Noah his fourthborn, and Rapha his fifthborn. Bela's descendants included Ada, Gera, Abihud, Abishua, Naaman, Ahoah, Gera, Shephaphan, and Huram. Ehud's descendants, who were leaders of their ancestral households in Geba and who were taken into exile to Manahath, included Naaman, Ahijah, and Gera, also known as Heglam, who fathered Uzzah and Ahihud. Shaharaim fathered sons in the land of Moab after he had divorced his wives Hushim and Bara. By his wife Hodesh, he fathered Jobab, Zibiah, Mesha, Malcolm, Jeuz, Sakiah, and Mirma. These were his sons and leaders of ancestral households. He also fathered his sons Abitub and Elpal by Hushim. Who were the heads of the fathers by their generations? Chief men who dwelt in Jerusalem. And of Hushim he begat Abitub and Elpal. The sons of Elpal, Eber and Misham, and Shammad, who built Ono, and Lod with the towns thereof, Beriah also, and Shema, who were heads of the fathers of the inhabitants of Aijalon, who drove away the inhabitants of Gath, and Ahio, Shashak, and Jeremoth, and Zebadiah, and Arad, and Ader, and Michael, and Izpah, and Joah, the sons of Beriah, and Zebadiah, and Meshullam, and Hezeki, and Heber, Ishmerai also, and Jezliah, and Jobab, the sons of Elpal, and Jachim, and Zikri, and Zabdi, and Elinai, and Zilthai, and Eliel, and Adiah, and Beriah, and Shimrath, the sons of Shimhi, and Ishpan, and Heber, and Eliel, and Abdon, and Zikri, and Hanan, and Hananiah, and Elam, and Antothijah, and Ephadiah, and Penuel, the sons of Shashak, and Shamsherai, and Shehariah, and Athaliah, and Jerasiah, and Eliah, and Zikri, the sons of Jeroam. These were heads of the fathers, by their generations, chief men. These dwelt in Jerusalem. Who was a part of the line that King Saul belonged to? Now in Gibeon, Jael, the father of Gibeon, lived, and his wife's name was Maacah. And his firstborn son was Abdon, then Zur, Kish, Baal, Nadab, Gedor, Ahio, and Zechar. Mikloth became the father of Shimeah, and they also lived with their relatives in Jerusalem, opposite their other relatives. Ner became the father of Kish, and Kish became the father of Saul, and Saul became the father of Jonathan, Malchishua, Abinadab, and Eshbaal. The son of Jonathan was Merib-Baal, and Merib-Baal became the father of Micah. The sons of Micah were Pithon, Melech, Tariah, and Ahaz. Ahaz became the father of Jehoiada, and Jehoiada became the father of Alameth, Asmaveth, and Zimri. And Zimri became the father of Moza. Moza became the father of Bineah. Rapha was his son, Eleazar his son, Azel his son. Azel had 6 sons, and these were their names: Azrikam, Bocheru, Ishmael, Sheriah, Obadiah, and Hanan. All these were the sons of Azel. The sons of Eshek his brother were Ulam his firstborn, Jeush the second, Eliphelet the third. The sons of Ulam were mighty men of valor, archers, and had many sons and grandsons, 150 of them. All these were the sons of Benjamin. At the end of human history, do we see Benjamin included, and Paul as one of its heroes? I say then, God has not rejected his people, has he? Far from it. For I too am an Israelite, a descendant of Abraham, of the tribe of Benjamin. What can we learn from the tribe of Benjamin? What can we learn from the lives of Ehud, Saul, Jonathan, Esther, and Paul? You decide.